Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV in Junction City. Wanted to show you this trailer by Sundance. This is the 262 RB, which stands for rear bath. And boy, what a bath it is. I think if for those of you who want a spacious bath that you can actually move around in, towel off, change clothes behind the door, that kind of thing, this trailer gives you that, and it gives you a lot more. Let me show you. Now, like all of these longer trailers, you're going to have double axle, a big long awning this year. Look how big and long that awning is. It'll extend way out and light up with LED lights. You have outdoor speakers and you can listen to your music. This is where you set up your camping experience out here, and what an experience it would be outside in this one, but what an experience it'll be inside. Check it out. So this is that bathroom I was telling you about. And you have like a barn door. Check this out. See how that works? Very nice. You've got a nice sink, place for storage and hanging goods, a fan, and look at this step-in shower. It's very nice. Plenty of space in this bathroom. And while you're coming out this direction, I want to show you the one thing that people overlook in this floor plan all the time. They forget to look inside this closet. They walk right in and don't see. Look how much space you have for everything that you would want to carry that's extra, whether it's clothes, food, fishing poles, whatever. Really awesome in this floor plan to have that much space. You're going to see here that we've got a nice jackknife sofa with drink holders, so this will pull out and turn into a bed easily. You've even got USB chargers and plug-ins right here close where you can charge your devices. And when you're sitting on this couch, you can be looking right here at the TV of your choice that we can place right there, like a really nice smart TV. You've got your sound system here and place for movies and things like that. You have a wonderful dinette. And this will also fold down and make some extra sleeping. So you've got the ability to sleep 2 to 4 extra people in this unit on top of the master bedroom. All of these cupboards up top for food. A lot of space in here. Drawers and storage. Really nice. Big, huge stainless steel sink. Look at that. Lots of cutting space. Counter space is always a thing people are asking for, and here you've got it. A wonderful 3-burner cook stove. And this right here is a new invention that they made. I'll tell you about it later. You got an oven right here, microwave, and a fan with a light. All of this whole trailer, when you light it up, it looks so beautiful at night. I wish I could show it to you at night. Check out this bedroom back here. So you do have a private bedroom, and it does have its own slider door. You've got nice long closets. They're not the short ones. They're nice and long. Nice space up here with lights for reading, a place to charge your devices and hang on to them up above, extra storage over top. And what this offers, this floor plan offers that many don't, is this extra closet space that they build in the back of the kitchen. So you've got extra places for things that you might want. You've got a little extra storage here, pull out drawers here, a place to put a TV that could come out on a bracket so you could watch TV. Really, really smart engineering in this floor plan. People love it. I think you would love it, and I'd love to sell it to you. So give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.